Diversified Project Management. Founded in 1989, Diversified Project Management is a New England-based owners representative consulting company headquartered in Newton, Massachusetts, with additional offices in Hartford, Connecticut, and Stamford, Connecticut. Diversified Project Management specializes in programming, project management, construction administration, FF&E coordination, and move planning services for corporate, education, healthcare, manufacturing and biotechnology, construction, renovation, and relocation. Management team: Robert M. Keeley, Jr., President; Philip Leonard, Vice President of Operations; Bill Clegg, Vice President of Operations; Mark Dupree, Ash Asak, Vice President and Project Executive; John A. Waitkunis, Vice President and Project Executive; Greg Lewis, Vice President, R&D Market Segment Leader; Carolyn Hearn, Director of Business Development; Alicia Lawless, Communications Manager; Communications Manager, History. Diversified Project Management established its Boston office in 1989 with the mission of providing objective tenant representation, project programming, construction administration, facilities management, and move coordination services. Diversified Project Management later founded its Hartford office in 1996 to better serve the Hartford, New Haven, and Western Massachusetts markets. In 2007, Diversified Project Management added its Stamford location, serving Fairfield and Westchester counties in Connecticut and New York. Diversified Project Management has since opened an office in Providence, Rhode Island. Industries. Academic. Diversified provided move management services for the Convert 170,000 SQFT including equals on life sciences facility at Brown University. This research center houses the departments of molecular biology, cellular biology, and biochemistry and neuroscience. With 60 new laboratories, the project modernized the departments and expanded laboratory and research capacity at Brown by 50%. It was designed to encourage scientific collaboration among faculty, staff, and students by uniting complementary research under one roof. Corporate. Diversified managed the corporate relocation project for CVS into their 217,000 square foot 20,202 support center expansion space in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. The multi-phased relocation management was broken into 3 projects focusing on moving employees into the new space, relocation into the vacated and renovated existing space, and bringing staff in from various CVS facilities in the surrounding areas. Over 1,000 staff members were moved in the process. Along with master timeline generation and overall move management services, DPM oversaw the furniture knockdown/reconfiguration and installation of new systems. Healthcare. Diversified was hired to centralize Partners Healthcare's finance department by consolidating 7 offices into 200,000 square feet, 19,000 into of space on 2.5 floors at the Schraft Center in Charlestown, Massachusetts. The project scope included programming and move management for approximately 800 people. High-tech and industrial. MRO Software retained Diversified for the renovation of 100,000 square feet, 9,302 of office space, and relocation of over 300 employees in Bedford, Massachusetts. Diversified's responsibilities included overall project management, design development coordination, general contractor selection and administration, value engineering, voice and data coordination, furniture selection and management, and move planning. Diversified acted as MRO representative. Diversified was retained to manage Acme Packett's office and lab build-out and relocation. Acme Packet relocated from their single-floor office space in Woburn to a new two-story state-of-the-art building in Burlington, where they nearly doubled in size to 43,061 square feet, 4,000.5 m2 of space as the sole tenant. The move involved 84 staff members, 60 workstations, manufacturing areas, and a test lab. Nonprofit. Jewish Family and Children's Services. Diversified was retained to provide project management for Jewish Family and Children's Services relocation to a 40,000 square foot, 3,702 building in Waltham, Massachusetts. The move involved 120 employees from two separate locations in Newton and Boston. Pharmaceutical and biotech. ISI Research Institute. Diversified managed the relocation for 120 employees into a 180,000 square foot, 17,002 laboratory and office in Andover, Massachusetts. The project included renovating and expanding Building 4 on the Andover campus to include more office space and the addition of an elevator and stairway. Simultaneously, Building 5 on the campus was demolished to make way for the construction of a new 180,000 square foot, 17,000 m2 office and laboratory building. A connector was built between Building 4 and the new building to facilitate easy access between the buildings for company personnel. Public, municipal, and state governments. Diversified managed the relocation of the United States Coast Guard from its facility located at the University of Connecticut campus at Avery Point in Groton, Connecticut. Diversified oversaw the entire 60,000 square foot, 5,602 project, from the evaluation and selection of a new property to the coordination of the move into the new space. The office facility is designed for 170 employees, and 10% of the real estate